Isang karangalan po na kami ay narito sa harapan ninyo upang maging saksi sa MOA signing sa pagitan ng St. Elizabeth Hospital ng ating minamahal na Sultan Kudarat State University. Palakpakan po natin. This is truly a very special day for everyone. It is a very special day for me personally as well.
Si Gov kasi talagang grabe. Ayaw niya kaming paalisin siguro nang hindi kami nag-uusap. So natuloy yung aming tete-a-tete with him. Talagang nung nagpaalam si Dave, you are really instrumental to this activity nang dahil sa kanya. Anyway, sabi through Jay, pakisabi na lang kay Gov, pasensya kasi talagang alam namin marami pa siyang aasikasuhin, ang dami pa niyang kausap. And then babalik na lang kami for another date. And syempre, hindi pumayag si Gov. The man of action. No? Nakita namin yon nung na-witness namin how committed, how dedicated, and how much of an action man he is. We were witnesses to that activity. Doon namin siya unang nakilala.
And then earlier that nag-uusap kami ni Gob, sabi niya, nagpapasalamat siya sa akin dahil daw finally, marirealize na yung vision ng lolo niya, di ba? Ganoon din po yung vision ng aming father, no? Si Dr. Jess, na for the longest time, talagang nagnanasa siya na maka-offer kami ng medical school, no? Even if it is not us, no, who have medical school. But this is more than enough na po sa amin, no? That kami po magkakaroon ng affiliation na base hospital kami ng Sultan Kudarat State University.
So what does this mean for us here at St. Elizabeth Hospital? Well, first of all, it seals the commitment, no, that we have to produce trainees, no. It all begins with producing medical students who have the proper mindset, no, to be compassionate, like Sir Sam said, no, compassionate doctors, and that's what we have been doing here. And also, it seals, I guess, no, the bond between Jensan and the province of Sultan Kudarat, no? Because from here on in, what will happen is that magkakaroon tayo ng easy referrals between ourselves, no? Our city and your province. Okay?
So, napakalaking bagay po nito. My deepest gratitude to the members of the St. Elizabeth Hospital headed by our Chief Executive Officer, Sir Antonio Veneracion. Kaya, all the way from Manila, dumating po ang ating ate just to be part of this momentous occasion. Sabi niya, makakaasa po ang St. Elizabeth Hospital at ang Sultan Kudarat State University ng kanyang 100% support.
Ito pong signing of MOA ngayong araw, we are truly honored, beyond honored and grateful for this opportunity. Napakalaking tulong po ito para sa probinsya ng Sultan Kudarat, lalong-lalo na sa Sultan Kudarat State University. Kaya inshallah, tuloy-tuloy na po ang success ng College of Medicine at dahil ng lahat ng iyon sa tulong po ng St. Elizabeth, kaya napakalaki po ng pasasalamat namin sa inyo na binigyan niyo po kami ng opportunity na to. And hopefully, mas marami pa pong partnership katulad po ng sinabi ni Doc Ronald Veneracion na yung vice versa na tulungan po, and kagaya nga po ng na-mention din ating MC, like meron po tayong mga medical assistants, mga social services. With this partnership, baka nga mas lalo pa pong dadami kasi lalo na pag hindi makayang i-cater po from SKPH, hindi na kami pupunta ng Davao pa. Baka pwede na po namin sa sunod dito na namin dalhin sa St. Elizabeth. Kaya maraming salamat po for this partnership.
The St. Elizabeth Hospital, with your commitment to excellence, I am confident that you are very much aligned and we are very much aligned with each other with our vision as SKSU, a leading university in advancing scholarly innovation, multicultural convergence, as well as responsive public services, including public health in a borderless region.
That's why the provincial government has allotted 1 million pesos for the purpose of handling the financial expenses of our patients brought here. But in addition to that, as a token of our sincere appreciation sa ating mga partners in St. Elizabeth's Hospital, nag-usap kami ni Ate Bay that for next year, we will be allotting from the provincial government the amount of 2.5 million pesos to support the facilities and our personnel, and another 2.5 million pesos na medical assistance to indigent patients.
Actually, ang health talaga kasi ang flagship program ni Governor Dato Paksali Manguda Dato. And one of his campaign promises to establish a college of medicine in our province. Ang aim po nito is for us to have a sustainable na production ng mga doctors. Kasi napakalaki ang aming hospital, and ang Sultan Kudarat kasi maraming mga munisipyo. So mas maganda ho na merong College of Medicine doon sa lugar namin. Kaya assured kami na pagka nakagraduate yung mga doktor galing doon sa kanilang lugar, babalik doon and would help the community.
Will be truly beneficial, not just for our constituents here, but for every single person who has a dream to be part of a medical service team to provide better quality service to our constituents.